a lot of teens who are out there just in their communities and they only know like of a few LGBT people and they might not know people who are like the same as them, and just coming to Shift gives you a whole different perspective on things and shows you and like gives you the ability to meet people like you, and it's really just nice to know that you're not alone.
I think that the like safe environment of Shift is the thing that I love the most, and the understanding of everyone. Connect with like queer rangatahi is so special, especially since I was here as a queer rangatahi.
My favourite part about Shift is, as much as I love the workshops, is like in between the workshops when you get to have like a hot goss with people and you just sort of get to like chat about what is special and important to you and like do that whakawhanaungatanga and like become friends with people and build those connections. That's my fave part.
I think it's definitely worth it. Like, you think that it might be a bit scary, but it's scary on the first day, but as soon as you meet your group and you meet all the kind people, it's so nice and welcoming, and it's just amazing to be active in your community. I think just like even if you come for one shift, it's just like such a good experience to get a lot of different opinions on things, and it just really opens your mind up for everything, really.
Yeah, I think Shift is really important because it builds community, and community is the foundation of everything else that we have, and at the foundation of community is friendships, and that's what Shift is all about, is building beautiful friendships. So that's what I think.
Every year Shift is just stacked with amazing people coming in to educate us and strengthen our communities more, and we love to see it. We love it.
Coming to Shift feels like coming home, and I feel like it's just a big, beautiful queer family, and I love it so much.
Beautiful. Cheers.
Yeah, I only got one bowl of cornflakes.